VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. This program is designed by the IRS, and Fairfax County government, we are partnering with the IRS to provide free tax services for low to moderate income. For this year, if you are making less than $67,000 a year, you qualify for our free tax services. With our program, we do it for free, and all of our volunteers are certified by the IRS.
So they come to us for help. They don't have the money to afford commercial tax preparation. That, on average, is $200. I had a client come in the other day. They had a more involved situation and they quoted $600. They didn't begin to have that money for tax preparation. So overall, the program has saved almost $500,000 for taxpayers.
We processed over 2,300 tax returns last year, and we brought back to Fairfax County over $2.8 million in federal refund, along with $1.2 million in earned income tax credit for those families.
Come on in. We love to help. We've got dedicated volunteers. If we can't help you, we can direct you to people who can help you. My nature, I think, like most of the preparers here, to be a type A personality, a little bit geeky, love to solve problems, love to figure out puzzles, and that's what a tax return is. And so we get a lot of satisfaction out of solving our puzzles and helping these people out who really need it and who are very appreciative.
And this program, I would encourage anybody to use it because, you know, this is a great program, and you actually can save a lot of money by going to VITA services rather than go to a paid tax preparer. People can find out more information by going to fairfaxcounty.gov, search VITA, VITA.